Tom Bishop with Voorwood Company. Today I'm going to be doing the demonstration of the Voorwood L115 edge foiler with the grooving option. This machine will allow you to process drawer sides, so you can edge foil the top edge and put the bottom drawer groove in them. Let's get on with the demonstration. Today we're going to process this roughly 4-inch wide drawer side. So I'm going to get a measurement here. Yeah, this part is just under 4 inches in width right now. Our groove is a 1/2 inch from the bottom. Here are our top and bottom post cleaners. These are located post stripping and remove any excess material that did not cleanly strip from the product. This eliminates the need for manual cleaning after the parts have been processed.